Des Moines police are investigating several weekend crimes on Court Avenue. In 48 hours, there were 2 stabbings, a shooting, and a car chase, all stemming from fights in the Court Avenue district. And now the city and police are looking for ways to make the area safer.
KCCI's Scott Carpenter is live downtown for us tonight with how often officers are being called to the Court Avenue district.
Yeah, Steve and Stacy, Des Moines police say they're actually getting fewer calls for fights here on Court Avenue, but the severity of the crimes are more intense, and now they're trying to figure out why that is.
That's probably the million-dollar question, is why these things are happening.
Stabbings, shootings, and fights along Court Avenue.
The frequency of the violence in the form of a fight or a dispute is much lower than it was in years past, but the level of violence when it occurs is much greater. That people are bringing guns and people are bringing knives, and they're not hesitating to use those.
Sergeant Paul Parizek says they see familiar names in these kind of crimes, saying those who are looking for trouble will certainly find it. But he says Court Avenue is still a safe place for people to enjoy a night out. Do you feel safe when you go out on Court Avenue?
I do, but I mean, when I hear of these things happening, I feel less safe.
When it's getting too late, just go home or have a friend drive you home.
Just across the river, the East Village, another popular nightlife spot, isn't seeing the same kind of trouble.
Might be that because there's not the density that there is in the East Village that there is at Court Center. Those bars aren't stacked right on top of each other, but there are successful businesses over there that seem to get through the night without the police being there all night long.
Anytime there's a public safety issue, there's concern.
Court Avenue is in City Councilman Josh Mandelbaum's ward. He says earlier this summer, the city and other groups partnered with Responsible Hospitality Institute. They've been on Court Avenue throughout the summer, analyzing trends and talking with businesses and residents.
They do this work actually in entertainment districts all around the country, and to come up with best practices that we can implement from the public safety side.
Now, Mandelbaum says Research Hospitality Institute is currently gathering information. When they're done, they'll present that to the city to not only help with safety, but also potentially the businesses and infrastructure here on Court Avenue. We're live downtown tonight. Scott Carpenter, KCCI 8 News, Iowa's news leader.